We have a 2018 Chevy Tahoe, and my over the holidays, my key fob ripped the rubber coating over the keypads, and I was really disappointed. Didn't know how much they charge at a dealer. As you can see, found it for less than $10 on Amazon. And what you can do is you pop open the key fob with the key inside, and that releases the case. Once you pry that apart, you'll see there's very little components you need to remove. And the new key fob, you just pull apart the same way, and I try to put it down in the same orientation so you can put it back together quite easily. I just use an X-Acto blade. That circuit board is really easy to come off. It's not screwed down or glued down or anything. So you set that to the side, and you need to pull out the battery. And I just used a pocket knife, popped it open, and put it back into the new case in the same exact orientation. And then it makes it easy. You just put the circuit board back on top. You don't have to program, you don't have to do anything, and it'll work because you're just using the same components. The case is just a case. And so once you just squeeze that together, you could pop your key, and I think it came with a key blank, so you could probably even make a spare key out of that as well. And so that's it. I just went out and tested it, and there was no issues. Worked right off the bat. No programming, easy peasy. Hope this helps you. Please give me a like to help support my channel. Appreciate it.